Double click NetBeans IDE icon, it should be on your desktop now, and it'll take you to a start menu, a start page, I bet you. So click the icon, upper left corner, that says New Project to start a new project, a new Java project. And so click on the Java folder, and then in the next over pane, click Java Desktop Application, and that'll start you on a GUI application, not a command line, an actual full-fledged GUI application. Name it hello, whatever, hello jazz, hello, so on and so forth. Click Finish, because all that other stuff is just a blur to me, so I couldn't explain it if I were trying. Now you'll be taken to this thing, and you have a play button up here. Go ahead and click the play button, and yeah, you just made a cool little window program. It doesn't have anything in it, so let's make something in it. You can add a little button and edit the text by just clicking and dragging. Right click on it and click Edit Text, and just say Do Stuff. Okay, this is the button we click to do stuff. And you can hit play, and you can see your changes reflected on the screen. When you click it, it's not going to do stuff though, because you haven't told it to do stuff. Double click that button, and where it says Action, you want to create a new action. And the action's method is going to be do something, do stuff. We'll just call it do stuff, and then click OK. Now NetBeans is going to generate some code for you. It's going to generate this section here, at action on the first line, then public void do stuff. And now when you click that button, it's going to do stuff. What did it do? Well, it ran this absence of code. There's no code here. Now how can we prove to ourselves, hey, we actually are doing stuff? Well, we display a message box to the screen. And here's the code to display a message box to the screen. Let's just paste it in. Static little thing. Here's some text to display. And, okay. And no. Make sure it's no. So type a new line of code, and it should say capital J, capital O, P-T-I-O-N, capital P, A-N-E, J option pane, dot show message dialog, and then we want to pass into that method null, and then a string of text to display to the screen. Now after you type that line and you end it with a semicolon, J option pane will have a squiggly underline, and that means you've done bad. But you'll also see a light bulb in the corner, and that means it has an idea. And the first option is add import for Java X swing J option pane. Because apparently, when you look up here, we didn't import that, and we're trying to use it. I wonder if we could use J dialog. But anyway, just click the light bulb, double click that first option to import the thing, and then it'll add this code to your project automatically, kind of. And now your code will work. And you can hit the play button. You can click do stuff, and it's like, here's some text to display. Okay, now if you change this to do stuff now, and you click here, yep, it doesn't work. That's because this thing is pointed at do stuff still, and you can actually find that in your code by searching do stuff. See right here in the components, init components method, it's setting its action to do stuff and not do stuff now. Where's do stuff now? Right, it's at the bottom. Sorry. I always look up, but it's down. Okay, so since we renamed this thing, how do we get the button to go back to there? Well, you see where its action is set. So you click on the button, and then in its properties, its first property is action, and it's pointed to do stuff. Click the drop down, and there's no longer an option for do stuff because it's gone. Do stuff now is a method, and now we fixed our program. That's important to know. Now we can actually pull down